Hi friends, my name is Madmita. I am studying in second standard. Now I am discuss about shapes all around us. Here are five friends: Ricky, Shiny, Trucky, Chicky, and Debbie. They are ready to be your friends. Let us know about them. Hi friends, my name is Ricky. My original name is Rectangle. I have two long sides and two short sides and four corners. Thank you. Hi friends, my name is Shai. My original name is Square. I have four equal sides and four corners. Hi friends, I am Prakti. My original name is Triangle. I have three sides and three corners. Thank you. Hi friends, I am Chicky. My original name is Sarki. I have no sides and no corners. Hello friends, I am Ove. My original name is Ove. I also have no sides and no corners like Chicky. Thank you for giving this opportunity.